Welcome to Freshers Live. To participate in our RRB NTPC mock test, log on to prepare.fresherslive.com. You can find RRB NTPC under popular exams. Around 140 mock tests available. Let's see how to participate in a free mock test. Click on Start Test. Sign up free with your name, email ID and phone number. Create a password. The test will be a 90-minute duration. The countdown timer at top right corner of screen will display the remaining available time to complete the test. Let's know about these 5 boxes. On the right side of the exam screen, you have this indication dialog box. You can hide it if you want. The green box displays the number of questions answered. The white box displays the number of questions not visited yet. This yellow box displays the questions that are marked for review. This yellow and tick box displays the questions answered but still kept for review. The red box displays the questions visited but not answered yet. Read the instructions before beginning the test. The test is for 100 marks. 1 mark for right answer and minus 0.33 for wrong answer. Once the 90 minutes time is up, the exam will end. Choose your language and begin the test. You can see the total remaining time on top of screen and time take for the present question. You can unmark the answer by clicking on Clear Response given below. The last question answered, but marked for review. You can click on the question number to review. Click Save and Next to confirm the answer. You can check the time left while attending the test. Before submitting the test, you can cross-check the questions that are kept for review. You have options to recheck before you submit the test. You can get result after completing the test, with your score, right answers and negative markings. You can also download and find the original answers. You can get the answers in PDF format. You can re-attempt the same mock test. Also various RRB NTPC test available. You can unlock the other mock tests at very good package. For more information log on to prepare.fresherslive.com.